Hey there, Kingdom Entrepreneur. Welcome and congratulations. You are at the final steps of going into our 818 Power to Get Wealth Challenge. It's only going to be 7 days. Those days are going to pass anyway, but you will come out of this with a high hand and with so much more information than you started with. Okay, so I want you to be encouraged. I want you to be motivated and start by recognizing that this is the most critical step in processing your registration. Okay, so to ensure that you get the most out of this 7-day adventure into Kingdom Entrepreneurship, make sure you take a minute to answer the following questions that will allow me and my team to serve you at our highest level. You've been waiting for a long time and you deserve to have customized service, and the more you get down into these answers, the better off all of us are going to be. This is a live event. So look for the faux pas and look for whatever is going to happen, but you are going to be blessed because you're already highly favored, and we want to activate you, empower you, and give you what you need in order to impact the world the way you've always been meant to. So enjoy yourself, and we'll see you on the other side.